Welcome to Yeeflow Data List Tutorial Series. Today, we're focusing on how to effectively filter and search data in your data lists. Yeeflow enables powerful search and filter capabilities, allowing you to quickly find the exact data you need. Let's start by setting up user filters to streamline your search process. In the data list, users can search data in a data list by selecting the filter conditions. In the pop-up window, you can use condition or condition groups to display the required data in the view. Please note, the fields that users can use to filter will be limited with the pre-configured user filter fields. To provide more filter options, data list admins change the settings of user filters. Click Edit View from the More Options button. From the View Settings page, click Settings button in the User Filters section. In the pop-up, you'll see fields you can select on the left and the ones you've selected on the right. Select the fields from Left Fields list to add to the selected fields on the right. You can change dragging the item to change the display orders of selected fields or remove the selected fields by clicking the Close button at the end of each item. Click OK to save your settings. After configuring your filters, return to your list and use the Filter button to apply them. The fields you selected will appear in a drop-down, making it easy to narrow down your data. Remember, these settings apply to the current view only. As a list admin, you also have the ability to set data filters, which are conditions that determine which items are displayed. Click Edit View from the More Options button. From the View Settings page, click Settings button in the Data Filters section. For instance, you might create a view that only shows items with an open status. Click OK to view the changes. In addition to setting up simple filters, Yeeflow also supports setting up complex multiple filters using the expression editor. For instance, you can filter to see only current items that haven't expired for the current user's department. Click the Filter button in the pop-up, click the Add Condition button, choose End Date, and choose Greater or Equal. Then you can select a specified date or click the icon to open the expression editor. Here, you can set the rule. You can also set more conditions by clicking the Add Condition button. Select and or as needed. Then choose Department, pick Equals, and then select a department or set a rule with the expression editor. Click OK to apply your filters and see the results. Filtering can provide a precise search, but for simple fuzzy searches, you can use the Search button to search with keywords. You can search from all fields or just from a specific field. And there you have it. Filtering and searching data in Yeeflow is straightforward and effective. These tools are invaluable for managing large datasets and ensuring you're working with the most relevant information. Stay tuned for more tips on using Yeeflow to optimize your data list. Thanks for watching.